please use the Padlet in class and try to explore how interesting is this app. So that's why we say Padlet is a blank wall to post. You can post link, images, text and file, everything. And we are ready to move for the live demo. Before we go for live demo, this is our session. Last week we had Kahoot. Today we are doing Padlet, and next week we will be having session on exam.net. Do feel free to be there. Great. So let's go live. So as discussed, so what we'll be doing, just type Padlet. Okay, so you need to go to Padlet basically. Here we are, as I showed you in the PPT also. You need to click on this. It says Padlet, you are beautiful. Like, look, it gives you a wonderful thoughts also before you begin. And because I was signed in already, so it just took me to my page. If you are not signed in, I'll just show you that also. So let's say I'll log out and I'm logged down. So you need to just log in, put your details respectively, and you're there. This is for all those who are sort of uncomfortable asking about how to go ahead. So I cover that part also. You can just log in, and here we are ready. So as I discussed, the moment you log in, you will reach to this page. This is the recent page. How many Padlets you have? You can see on my screen so many Padlets. How many I have made out of it? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have only 3 ka limit, but I've made 5. So if I want to make another Padlet, what to do? I'll not be able to make it. You can see the shared Padlet, the one which are being shared with me are all here. The one which I've liked are all here. Just to show you, archive. These are all the Padlets which I have tried to work, then deleted or kept them in the archive folder so that if at all I feel buying the paid version, I can get it back. Otherwise, I'm okay with it. Going ahead, on the right side, as I showed you in the PPT, is all the details which is required. Uh, okay, I'll show you that also how to ship. That is planned, ma'am, Sheetal ma'am. So when this is for the help, when if you want to upgrade, as I've shown you in the PPT, you need to just click on this, and there you are. It says just upgrade, and you can just follow the details of upgrading. So I'm going to go back now. Gallery is all the wonderful work done by educators around the world will be visible to you. You can check and use or get an example as per the requirement. Going back, and I guess now we are there to make a Padlet. So you can see so many Padlets are already there. So I'll try to make a new Padlet right now in front of you. Wow. So it says Padlet limit reached. You can't make another Padlet. So what to do? So as I told you, now I will show you how to make another Padlet. So now let's say this was a demo Padlet. These were all okay, recent. So you can see this was demo Padlet. This is my today's webinar ka Padlet. This is how I'm going to make the Padlet, and I'm going to show it to you that how Padlet has been created. So let's talk about it. What I'll do, my distinguished Padlet. This I'm going to delete or archive. So how to do that? I'll just click on. There are 3 dots on top right. You need to just click on them. You can either delete it forever, or you can click on it, archive, and it goes in archive. You can see I've got one space now, and in the archive I have this my distinguished Padlet. I hope it's visible right now. So previously when I was trying to make Padlet, it says that limit reached. Now I can click on make Padlet, and wow, now I'm having at least one Padlet to be made. So what I'll do, I'll just click the first one, which is, let's say I'll select the wall option, and I guess we are moving towards it. So the moment we are there, you can say it says my fearless Padlet. You are there in the Padlet, but you need to do some settings. So what you need to do is I'll just click on settings. You can change as per the requirement. So this is my webinar number 25. Little promotion is also good, right? So I'm going to ask you, please write whatever you want to write. This is what I'm going to share with you, so please uh, write good things if you can, otherwise it's okay. Icon, you can change the icon as per the requirement and the availability. So you can see there are so many smileys available, whatever you feel you can use it. So let's pick something. Okay, something you can pick some fun emojis. You can pick the ideas. Okay, so as I've planned already, so let's use this one. So this is like webinar 25 live and all that thing. So coming back, going ahead, you can choose wallpaper which is already there, right? Or what you can do is you can add your own wallpaper also. So you can upload. So I have planned everything. It's already there on my desktop. Or you can use these images which are already there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick it up from my laptop, something which is already there. So yeah, you can see I have uploaded an image on the Padlet. So you can see teachers effect goes till infinity. You don't know where it reaches, right? So this is what is the image done, and I guess I'm ready with the Padlet now. And then there are some more settings of font. You can see the change of font. I can change the font and attribution and new post first. Yes, for sure. Comments, allow viewer to comment on post, that you can decide whether you want others to allow or not. Reaction, whether you want to have star or vote or all those things. Approval, you can decide on that, and then you can just click on save. And now it's ready. My Padlet is ready. Then once you are ready, now how are we supposed to share it with the participant? Before I share, on the right side, can you see here there's a small plus icon. So when it will come to you, what you need to do is click on this and you can just start writing. You can put like this, give your feedback, or you can also add images. So adding images, picking up file. So let's say I did uh, okay, so I did another webinar today, so there's image I'm uploading here. Okay, let's not upload this, upload the image of this webinar only. Okay, so this is our today's webinar's image. You can see it's here, and apart from that, if you want to put it from the YouTube, so if you want to put a YouTube link, so what to do in that case? So let's talk about that also. So you are there you are on the YouTube, and you can pick any link and just post it there on the Padlet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my channel and on mute. These are all the things which we have done. So today I took one session, so I'm going to take the link from here, and you can just see I'm just copying the link here, and another option is here. So I can just click on it. There's option of link. I paste the link, and you can see the video is available. Hopefully you can see the video is uploaded. So I guess now you've got idea about how to add Padlet. You can just explore more. I'm going to share this Padlet ka link right now with all of you. What to do, I need to just copy the link in the clipboard. I need to just paste it in the chat box. So please everyone go to your chat box. Okay, and I'm going to share it. Great. So yeah, the link is in the chat box. Please click on the link and feel free to write down whatever you feel on the Padlet. And you can see live, we'll be able to see. Okay, am I still there? Can someone start writing on the Padlet if you are having the access? Okay. Oh, so it says that the this one is archived. Okay, so let's try it out. Then what I'll do is I'll ask you to just put it in. Okay, it's archived. So great. So give me some time. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you to. Okay, so it says 9537. So I'm gonna delete it, and then let's see if I could post it there or not. No, it doesn't allow me, so I guess they have also understood that I'm trying to use it again and again, and that's what is happening right now. Great. So this way, when you start, basically, you will understand that how Padlet can be utilized, and this way you can go ahead. You can see Padlet is available now to me, and my dazzling Padlet, and what I'll do is just now I'll share with you. It says you're all set, post to start posting, and I'm going to share the link again to all of you. Sorry for the trouble previous time, and hopefully this time you'll be able to put. Okay, let's see if it works. I have posted another Padlet for all of you. Just click on the plus icon and try it if it is working. Yes, somebody has started typing, I guess. Nope. Awesome. This is working. Great. Finally, great. I thought like the Padlet people understood that I'm archiving and using it again and again. Awesome. Somebody can try to pick it up any image and post it also. That would be great. So I hope you are understanding how things are working. Awesome. This is working. Great. Somebody has already posted one funny image. Awesome. Okay, great. It says it makes you happy. It's not a waste of time. Great. Awesome. So this is so good to see. Imagine, guys, if you're teaching and suddenly you get the feedback, you don't have to wait for them to fill up the Google form and all this. Somebody has filled life is beautiful and minions over there. So this is imagine, and the same thing I can just take a PDF and put it. I'm all set. Great. It's working. Everyone is saying it's working. Great. And it's my dazzling Padlet. Great, awesome. So that's it from my end about the Padlet. I guess you can still keep on filling the detail as and when you want. That's it from our end. I hope you have learned something from today's session. It was good to see you all here on Sunday evening, 5 to 6. We'll be back again on next Sunday, same time, 5 to 6, with the next EdTech tool, which is exam.net. Thank you and have a great time.